So if you're feeling a little bit tense and you also need to re-energize at the same time, you can do some bouncing. Just gently bouncing. So I'm just bouncing my knees, maybe even go on a trampoline. But bouncing is fantastic for getting that lymphatic flow in your body, getting your myofascial system working, let your arms dangle. Yeah, you might even want to start letting your heels come up. You might want to go forward and back. You might want to go side and in. You might want to prance from one side to the other. And Joe is wondering what I'm doing, so he's come in for a little bit of a look. And then just slowly come back, putting your feet down and reducing that bouncing. Beautiful. Woo, that feels fantastic. I'm feeling ready for the day.